Hey guys, welcome to another video of ProductX. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your entire website using the WooCommerce Builder add-on of ProductX. This powerful WooCommerce Builder for ProductX is the all-in-one solution to create templates for archive, shop, and single product page. Now you can design the exact WooCommerce store that you have always wished for. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have the ProductX plugin installed and activated on your site. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to the add-on section of ProductX and enable the WooCommerce Builder. Now you can see the WooCommerce Builder section has been added under ProductX. We're going to go there. Here you can create template for all the pages of your website, starting from the home page to the 404 page on found page. We're going to start with the home page and click on add home page. If you want, you can make your page from scratch, or you can use one of our beautiful templates. These templates have everything that you need, and all you have to do is click on the import button right here. Like this one, I'm going to go for home decor, and our entire home page is ready. Wow, I just clicked the button and that's it. And you're not fixed to this. You can customize it however you like it. Each of these blocks are highly customizable, so you can even add more blocks if you want to. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Once you're satisfied and once you're done customizing, you just have to click on the publish button, and that's it. Let's see how our home page looks in the front end. Wow, it's done. This is a very beautiful home page, and all I did was click on the import button and my entire home page is good to go. Similarly, you can create single product page, shop page, cart page, checkout page, my account page, thank you page, product search page, archive page, even the header and footer. And the good thing about the header and footer is you don't have to be reliant on your theme to have the header. With ProductX, you can have different header for different pages. As an example, I'm gonna import this footer template 1. You can see the condition pop-up window. Here you can select where this footer will go and where it will not go. You can select it. You can select the entire site, the archive page, specific archive page, and so on. You can even have this footer for a single product if you really want to. Once you're done setting the condition, click on the save button, and that's it. Even your footer is ready. The 404 page is pretty simple as well. Select the design that you like and click on the import button, and that's it. Literally, your entire website is ready with just a click of a few buttons. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon